Ramon just farted like very heavy. Look at his face. What you did? Huh? What you did? No, I'm not gonna embarrass him. Just a little bit. This is the part where all the breakfast, and we're gonna just search which one of all of this we want. We're making here a line because we want to get some coffee. This taza amarilla, it's called Yellow Cup, and it's amazing because the coffee, it's organic and it's so nice. And you can see the line that is pretty big. Look, but it's worth it. And we just ordered breakfast. I hope you like it. My parents ordered like a sandwich with sourdough bread and mushrooms and cheese, and I ordered a vegan taco with mushrooms and tomato sauce. Everything organic and super delicious. This is gonna be my first one. After, I'm gonna order something else. How is it? Amazing.
Amazing.
Tell what it is this.
Cheese, mushroom,
Sourdough bread.
yeah,
And
that's,
a sauce of tomato, right?
yeah,
Okay, mine is a tortilla, handmade with organic corn and mushrooms and tomato sauce. And he ordered the same thing.
Same.
And our organic, beautiful coffee. Enjoy, guys. Oh my God, look at this one. Wow, French toast.
Rice and beans con hongos salteados con cebollín y salsa de tomate asada.
Oh my God.
Es delicioso.
I'm gonna order this one. What does this one has?
This is a beef. It's the eggplant with the boiled eggs and all the salad, hummus salad and sauerkraut and tahini on top.
What is the name of here?
Camun.
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 Nice.
Camun is cumin.
Cumin. Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Antar.
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 Where are you from?
Israel.
Nice. Ajá.
Ah.
Gracias.
how was it?
Very good, amazing.
Guys, are you ready for the most delicious of all? Look at this. Ta-da! I'm gonna put it in the sun. So, this is the classical French toast with some like berries over here, and I'm not quite sure what is this, but yeah. Who's gonna start? Me.
Ramon.
Oh my god. These, I swear, that are explosions in my mouth. My poor dog is hiding from the sun. Look at him. Costa Rica is super hot, and living in the city is super warm, so all the poor dogs are always like hiding from the sun. Look at these breads, all of them are sourdough. And look at the pastry over there. Oh my god. Yes, I'm gonna buy this one. That is the German sourdough bread. So guys, this is the Feria Verde, the organic farmer's market. And as you can see, all of this part is like where you buy all of the stuff like vegetables and fruits and all of the products. And that part over there is where you go to have breakfast. And as you're seeing, it's super full of people. It's very popular. Lots of foreigners come here to buy. It's a much more expensive kind of farmer's market than the regular ones, but everything is 100% organic. So that's why I make it a little bit more expensive. And it's pretty cool because you can see that they always have like special things going on. There's like or yoga classes or workshops to do some stuff, or like in this case there is a DJ. So it's a pretty cool morning to come every Saturday at morning in Barrio Aranjuez, Costa Rica, San Jose. So yeah, and it's super pet friendly, so there's so much pets and dogs everywhere going on. It's pretty cool. Mom, show your t-shirt. So this is Rameliving. Woohoo! So tell me something about this farmer's market.
It's nice. It's small, but it's very nice. You can find nice food
Why make it so special?
because it's organic products.
Guys, I want to show you something. This is so cool. Look at my new bags for this company. My company name is Rameliving as the channel. And look at these cute little bags made of organic cotton to put all the vegetables and fruit inside here. We have different sizes, like you're all seeing here. So no plastic bags, never ever. You can get them in my website, rameliving.com. Okay, so let's buy some stuff to put in here. Basil. Gracias. Turmeric, natural turmeric. It's like fingers. So look at these straws, so cute. Ooh, this is cacao mass cream. I'm gonna buy one. Look, everything with cacao. Okay guys, this is organic pasta, homemade, vegan, with no oil and no egg. So, which one you prefer?
Organic beet, organic garlic, organic spinach, organic turmeric, organic basil, whole wheat 100% organic turmeric.
Oh my god, everything organic. Which one is your favorite? So we bought the basil. This is vegan cream cheese, right? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cashew Parmesan cheese.
Ay, fría. Me movió Ramón.
This is almond cheese made of almond. This brand, guys, Doña Mitza is his mom who's doing everything. Tequila shot. Tequila is really weird. And chai. Cute little things for the plants. Wow. You can see they sell everything in here. There's so much clothes and like jewelry and so many things. So many things. And all of them are artisan, handmade, organic. It's pretty cool. All of these things remind me so much to India. Macrame. My dog is tired today. Look at his face. He was partying a lot in the way back. So I think that he must have something in his stomach. So his energy is a little bit low right now. I'm gonna take him home. Pretty sure, right? Sweetie? He is way more energetic than this. He has been lazy. So guys, we're leaving now. We're full, we're happy, we have organic vegetables. Did you like it?
I love it. Very healthy breakfast.
Very nice.
Very nice.
So guys, this is an activity that if you are here in the city, in San Jose, Costa Rica, you can do on a Saturday morning. As you all know, I'm not as much of a city girl, but every time that I'm here, I try to come here because it's pretty cool and nice. The weather is beautiful and we're happy. So I hope that you like it, this video. Don't forget to do a thumbs up. That always means a lot to me. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, because I have more new videos of beautiful Costa Rica just for you. Okay, so take good care and much love to you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Ya. Gracias. These guys in Costa Rica, it's called a watchman. Is a man that is watching. So basically you just leave the car anywhere and he's always watching the car to keep it safe basically, and at the end of the day or the activity you just give him a little bit of money. So they're everywhere, and if you don't give them money they get really pissed off. So just please give them money. But mostly they're very kind and cool. That's a watchman.